Today I'm going to work on part of my composting toilet. I'm going to take this bucket, and I bought the brand name is Johnny Compost. So this will fit in the bucket. It's got to be cut out, and it's basically the urine diverter for the toilet. I've got some tubing ordered that'll come out and go into a urine bottle here, and then everything else goes into your composting over here. So it'll fit in there about right there. Give you an idea. You put your bag in, you put this in, it holds it in place, drains through here. This is also, I've got vent tubing coming, and a 12-volt fan will exhaust all the smell right out the side of the bus. And I've got a little clamshell vent for the side of the bus that's chrome that'll look really nice. But right now we got to cut this bucket down to for this to sit right down in there so it'll fit. Now the directions are pretty complete. Gives you all the measurements and all the things you like. I'll put a picture of these and at the end of the video. And it also comes with a template right here. This is the template. So I'm going to cut this out, put it to the side of the bucket, and mark it with a Sharpie that I have right here. All right. So it'll look like this on the right here, where it's cut out there in the picture. All right. Let's cut out our template if stuff doesn't blow away here. All right. Ooh, windy, windy, windy. Now I think this template is designed to go inside the bucket when you're doing this. So, I'm not going to get rid of the directions here. It's a little bit expensive. I believe this part was about $40 for this urine diverter. It is 3D printed from the looks of it, so it's kind of neat. We're going to stick this right inside here. I'm going to tape this in place and then mark it out. Actually, I think I'll just clamp it in place. Cut this portion of the template out and paste or tape. Glue sticks work well to the interior of your bucket and cut around. If you'd like your diverter lower, just lower to your preference. So it's adjustable. So let me get my clamp here. I think this will work. Kind of want to get lined up with a handle. And how do you like the bucket? That's a interesting logo for the bucket, I guess. Okay, I got that all lined up. Got my Sharpie here. Gonna mark it. All right, all marked out. In case I need to use that again. And you can see there. Now I'm going to take my jigsaw and cut it with my jigsaw. This ought to be interesting. All right. Kind of hard to video this, but okay. Yeah, this is interesting to cut. Let's see how we're going to do this here. I'm going to cut this from the outside and look in. All right, I may have to do this by hand, I'm not sure. Let's see what my options are here. I'll be right back with you. This should work right here, hacksaw. To you when I get it done. All right, with the help of my neighbor's hacksaw, I was able to get this out right here. Now, we'll set this in place. Normally your bag would already be in there, and that's how it sits in there, and that's how your urine diverter works. The tube comes down through here, will go into a separate bucket. This will go to a vent tube out the side of the bus. And I'll box this in right here, and once I get that box going, I'll come back to you with that and show you how I build the seat area and everything. Hey everybody, this is a progress update. So you can see the bucket's underneath there. I got a platform to the right height. I've got a little bit of touch-up work to do on my sawing on the top there, but this is going to be a storage area on this side for toilet paper and everything, and there will also be a urine bottle right around in this area right here for my urinal, which will be mounted on this wall right here. So at the moment I've left the front of it open. I've got to do some work with a vent going out the side of the bus for ventilation. And I still have to cut that hole, and it's easier with it open. I'm also going to add lighting in here and different things as well. So let me lift up the lid here. You can kind of see it. It's already been in use, but no surprises in there for you. And that's how I change everything. This sets down. And on this side, I hinge this as well, so I'm going to show you here. And that's my composting material, just some pine bedding that you can get from Walmart. Filming this on my phone today, I didn't have my GoPro charged up, but I wanted to update this and get this out to you. All right. Well, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. And we're going to see you on the next one. I'll give you more updates when I cut the hole, and I've got a lot of other projects going on. We'll get more out to you. All right. Have a great day, and enjoy the pictures at the end of this video.